Assalamu alaikum viewers, I received an amazing skincare product from Argana Caftan. They sent me their complete facial kit with whitening soap and whitening cream. So firstly we will use this whitening soap. So we just take a little bit amount of that soap and rub it and wash it with warm water, and after that we will use this face and body scrub. And as you know, scrub always exfoliate your skin and give you very smooth and shiny skin. And उसके बाद हम use कर रहे हैं moisturizing cream. As you can see, this little bit amount is enough. It smells really nice. These are very good products. After cleansing the skin, gently apply the cream to your skin and you will enjoy smooth and radiant skin. और इसके बाद हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं क्ले मास्क. क्ले मास्क को भी आप अपने फेस पे पूरे पे अप्लाई करेंगे एंड लेट इट ड्राई फॉर 15 मिनट्स, और उसके बाद आप इसको वार्म वाटर से वॉश कर लेंगे. They also mention everything on their product, how you can use it for your convenience. So last but not the least, now I'm going to use this whitening cream. It's a night whitening cream. You can apply this cream on your face at night and you can wash it at the next morning. It's highly recommended from me, so visit that tagged page and place your order for this amazing products. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much.